It's Wednesday, November 16th. What a lucky girl I am. I have had the nicest busy day. I'm still frantically trying to get ready for my out-of-town guests and company coming, and it'll be so fun on Sunday. But I just got some surprises today, and surprises are always fun. So first of all, my sister sent me, I got this box, this fancy box that said fresh flowers in the mail in a box. So I opened it up, and my sister sent me gardenias, my favorite flower, all the way from San Francisco, all the way. Unbelievable. I got 20 stems of gardenias and 5 stems of beautiful white lilies. Unbelievable. I'm so excited. So that was just a huge treat. Then I got a lovely gift from one of my staff. She's so sweet. And I got an amaryllis, which will be beautiful by the time Christmas comes. Usually, you start it and then it's green and then it's beautiful in January. But no, thank you, Allison. And last but not least, the best surprise, not the best, but the most delightful surprise came from one of my customers whom, to my knowledge, we have never met because I don't think she's ever been in the store. I think she found us during COVID when we started going online, and she's in Illinois. And so I got a box today from her, and I opened it up, and it was so cute. It was wrapped in polka dots with a purple ribbon. And I couldn't imagine. I was like, what is she sending me? Oh my gosh. You know how I loved the Queen and everything she had on, and I wanted a poster. Well, Chrissy gave me a beautiful book of all the rainbows. Check this out. This is my new favorite mug. Check this out. What? Oh my gosh. I am tickled pink with my mug. This is just adorable. I don't know if she had it made or if she found it, but God love her. I am totally delighted. So what a treat, honestly. I feel very blessed. So tonight then, I'm just going to tell you, I want to remind you about the kit that we have from Theodora's Pearls. It's 100% bamboo. It is gorgeous. It takes the dyes so beautifully. We have packs of 6 colors in a pack, and Exonometer. It's 100% bamboo. And a pack of this is $110. It is 200 yards each, so 2 times 6 is 1,200 yards, right? And what we're proposing you do with it is the Casa Pinka's Your Slip is Showing. And the original pattern is only written for 5 colors. But God bless this sweet woman in Longmont. She adjusted the pattern and the color repeats, etc., for 6 colors. So this is the 6-color shawl way, and we give you the addendum and the way she did it. So these color packs are perfect for the Your Slip is Showing by Casa Pinka with 6 colors. So this one is the Jewels of Levant. The Jewels of Levant. I have 2 of these. I have 1 of these. This is Spice Market. Doesn't it look like spices? Anise, lime, cumin, turmeric, paprika, and sumac. Love that one. You know those are my colors. And last but not least, this one is Begonia. What? Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So if you're interested, please call us and we will ship it right on out. It would make a lovely gift. Or you can give it to somebody in the pack all wrapped up with the pattern and say, I'm going to knit this for you. And then boom, you can do it later. I've done that before. So anyway, the Your Slip is Showing, bamboo, Theodora's Pearls, all together. What a nice day. Honestly, I just feel totally blessed. It was so fun. I mean, I will think of you, my dear, every day when I drink my coffee. How sweet of you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. getting closer and closer to the B-Day. So the B-Day is Sunday, and we're not open on Sunday, but as a treat, keep your ears peeled and your eyes, but mostly your ears peeled for what might happen on Saturday in honor of my B-Day, so I can give back, right? So I can give back. That's my plan. If I'm going to be happy, I need everybody else to be happy. So there you go. So pay attention. All right, that's my teaser. I will see you tomorrow.